project, I have right here these broken headphones. Why these headphones are broken? Because there's a problem with the connection that is inside. As you can see, it's bent right here a lot, and when I move it around I can feel something wobbling inside. And this means when I plug it into an audio source, one of the speakers turns on and the other one stays quiet, and then sometimes clicks and you can hear it and not hear it, hear it, not hear it. So I have to keep adjusting this every time to be able to hear it from both speakers. Otherwise, one speaker only works. So now let's go ahead and repair this. Let's go ahead and have a listen so you can hear what the problem is. You can hear that on one side it works, and the other side it doesn't. And there, as you can hear, there's a problem. And as you can see, this is twisting, which is not supposed to be happening, which means there's a problem. Now I'm going to show you my way of repairing this. Let's get started. Now, of course, if I wanted to, I could just simply cut it and replace it with another one by hot wiring the wires together and then putting a shrink tube over it to insulate everything. But I'm going to try something a little different. Maybe I can be able to still salvage this piece and attach wires directly to it and then make a different type of housing to hold the wires together permanently. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a X-Acto knife. Simply cut it just like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut off the excess. Okay, so looking at this, it's better to just cut it like this and start over. We can cut in between the wires, separate it a little bit like that. Wire separators. Looking at the color of the wires, you can see that this color here and this color here, those copper colors, would be the common ground, and this green wire and red wire, one will go to the left or right, and the other one will go to the left or right. I'm not really sure unless I open up these headphones and see the color of wires that are going inside of them, so that way I know which is which. Looking at this here, this pin right here goes to the left audio, this one goes to the right audio, and this right here is the common ground. And now solder to the 3 leads of the audio jack. Next, take a heat source and burn off the insulation on these wires. Sometimes doing this is good enough. If not, you can also take some sandpaper. This will also work as well, or even do both. And now solder in the wires. Take a close look at the wires, and you can see these 2 copper wires is ground. Wrap the 2 wires together carefully. And now solder the 2 ground wires over to the ground pin of the audio jack. Carefully solder it into place. Next, take the red positive wire and solder to the center pin of the audio jack, which goes over to the right channel of the audio, and then take the positive green wire and solder to the left channel of the audio jack. And there should look just like this. Next, I'm going to take some super glue and put a dab of super glue on top, just like this. Doing this will cause me to create a form of insulation and keep the wires in place. spray some activator, and it glues into place. Add some more super glue. And there we go, it should look just like this. Next, I'm going to take a generous amount of hot glue to create the form of the audio jack. And it should look just like this when complete. Next, take some duct tape and place it over the glue. Doing this isn't very necessary, but I think doing this makes it look nice. Placing it over carefully, make a couple wraps. And there, she'll look just like this. And there, the project is now complete. Let's go ahead and test it out. And there, as you can hear, it works. And if I want to just unplug it, just simply pull it like that. It comes out easy. And there you have it. Now you know how to repair your headphones with using a few simple materials and how to reattach the wires to the headphone jack, allowing it to last a little bit longer. Thank you for watching SciTech Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future SciTech Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.